Unboxing the Galaxy S24 Plus. Discover if it's worth it. Galaxy Unpacked Event 2024, held yesterday, observed the grand debut of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, capturing the spotlight with its impressive range of features. The Galaxy S24 boasts key specifications that redefine what a premium smartphone can offer. Let's have a look at all the prowess resting in its possession. Despite offering Galaxy Ultra sizing at a more accessible price, the Galaxy S24 Plus is a much more enticing offer. With a better display than the one you'll find on the base variant of the series Samsung Galaxy S24. And it doesn't lose out on the impressive AI features that have been most touted about the S24 series. The Galaxy S24 Plus benefits from QHD+ display technology, and a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset places AI at the forefront of the mobile experience. The former upgrade means the Plus's 6.7-inch screen is sharper and more detailed than the S24's FHD Plus equivalent. The Galaxy S24 Plus has remarkably encompassed Samsung's collection of AI-driven capabilities, including instant text and call translation and creative photo editing. Despite comprising a 6.65-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display and a QHD+ technology, the Galaxy S24 Plus has slightly slimmer bezels and a more flattened design compared to its previous model. The new Armor aluminum frame is the most prominent upgrade, supposedly stronger than before. The phone also features a slightly larger 4,900 mAh battery, although it may not result in significant real-world battery life improvement. If you're looking for the top camera phone available, the Galaxy S24 Plus is a considerable choice as it offers some impressive photography features. The device maintains the same 50-megapixel wide lens f1.8, 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens f2.2, 10-megapixel telephoto lens f2.4 3x optical zoom, and 12-megapixel selfie camera f2.2 as its predecessor, with the added enhancement of Galaxy AI, introducing new AI-powered editing capabilities. The price for the base model of Galaxy S24 Plus with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage capacity is $999. The company has started accepting pre-orders from January 17, 2024, but the device is expected to release on January 31st, 2024.